In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Excel files in Google Drive. Whether you're transitioning to Google Workspace or simply collaborating with others, knowing how to open Excel files in Google Drive can be a real game changer. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's get started by logging into Google Drive. Open your preferred web browser and type in Google Drive Sign In. Once you're there, go ahead and click on the link that will take you to the Google Drive Sign In page. If you aren't already logged into your Google account, which is linked to your Drive, you'll need to input your credentials here. Enter your email address and password, then click Next to proceed. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Google Drive, where all of your files are stored in the cloud. Now that you're in Google Drive, it's time to find the Excel file you want to open. Search through your list of documents or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate your Excel file. Keep in mind that Excel files usually have extensions like picture, xls, or .xlsx, so look for those in the file list. Once you've found it, the next step is selecting the file. This can be done with a simple click. Just make sure you click directly on the file name so it's highlighted and ready for the next action. After you've selected the Excel file, it's time to open it. All you need to do is double-click the file. This action will open the file in a new tab. And voila! The file will be right there, accessible in Google Sheets. The great thing about Google Sheets is its ability to retain most of the functionalities you're used to in Excel, so you might find many familiar tools and options. Plus, any changes you make here are automatically saved, making collaborating really easy, a key advantage of using Google Drive. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips. Remember, if you want to edit the file directly, Sheets might slightly alter the appearance or features of highly complex Excel spreadsheets. But don't worry, the basics will be there, and you can always download the edited file back to Excel format if needed. To export it, simply click on File, then Download, and choose Microsoft Excel. And that's it. And there you have it. Opening Excel files in Google Drive is simple and can be done in just a few clicks. Being able to work with Excel files in Google Sheets not only enhances your productivity, but also allows for seamless collaboration. Give it a try and see how much it can streamline your work.